Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be taking a look at how we can change the units in which our designs are measured in. Here we can see we've got a document and the size is 21 inches by 11 inches. And up here we can see a resize option, and it's obviously got a little crown beside it, which means it is a Canva Pro feature. I do have a link in the description, which if you click on it, it will allow you to try out Canva Pro for free and give these features a go for yourself. So if we select the resize option, we can see now it brings us up a box, and we are now going to go to custom size. And here we can see now it's showing the size of our documents is 21 inches by 11 inches. And here it shows the units. If we click on the arrow and drop down the list, it's showing that we can use the units of pixels, inches, millimeters or centimeters. So if we wanted to change this document into centimeters, we would simply select centimeters. And now we can see that it's converted the measurements. We now need to tick the box to show that that's the custom size we wish to use. And now it's give us options down here. We can either copy and resize the design, or we can simply resize this design. So if you wanted to make a copy of the design you had on the screen in inches, then you could copy it and resize it. But for this one, we're just going to resize the design. So I'm going to select that option. It's resizing the page, and now we can see that it's resized it. And so the units across the top are now measuring in centimeters. If then you wanted to go on and change it again to be pixels, then simply change the units you wish to use, tick the tick box. It then gives you the options to copy and resize, or just simply resize the design, and then it will change the units across the top to be in pixels. And that's how easy it is to change the units in which your designs are measured within Canva. Thanks for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon.